If you're new to the page, I'm Julie Samako with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. Make sure at the end of this video you subscribe or follow the page so that you can be notified the next time we do a live. And if you're watching the replay over on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to me there as well. We're going to be making a bunny arrangement. All of these supplies came from Greenery Market. But first, before we get started, I wanted to show you how cute is this little bunny arrangement that we made in our Wreath Making of the Month Club group. So I demoed this arrangement in our Wreath Making of the Month Club group. I think it just turned out super cute. It looks amazing on my kitchen cabinets, but it's so cute. Just turned out lovely, lovely, lovely. I love the coloring of this as well as the container. I may have to go get another one, a girl bunny. So this is the bunny arrangement head that I want to design with. I just thought this was a really cute little container, and so I've already prepped it, and all I'm going to do is start designing in it. Isn't it cute with the little bunny ears on the front? We've got so much greenery. I love this greenery. I love, love, love greenery. So we've got a little base of greenery. Let's add some more greenery. I love the airiness of this fern. We've gotten just so much rain. Hold on, let me see. How far out do I want this to come? That might be too far, but we'll play it by ear. Just lots of rain. So you can see that we've got just a bunch of greenery, and I mean, really, you could stop there if you wanted to. If you wanted to keep adding greenery, you could. Just do a lot of greenery. This is going to be cute for an Easter table centerpiece. I don't think I'm going to use this whole bush. But you could. I mean, you could actually take one whole, bush of something and just completely use all of that. I think I'm just going to save that for enhancing. And then I'll use this allium, which is really cute. I noticed there's various colors available. Isn't that pretty? So you guys could, you almost could just stop right there, couldn't you? So here's the front, here's the top, and then let's get to our lavender. Okay, just gonna go around and look. This is cute. All right, I still have a few pieces. I have this too that I wanna incorporate. And then I may do a couple of these. Let's see what we've got here. These are fun, aren't they? All of those pretty glittery, fun things. Okay, y'all, this is turning out so cute. How fun. Feels like I need another fern right up front. So what I think I'm going to do is just trim this one down. Let's get some of these in. These are our last few little pieces of the allium bush. So a lot of people would have looked at this pick and thought the one with the little flower foams and stuff, they would have thought they needed two for this arrangement. And I wanted just to show, you know, you don't have to overdo. You don't have to overdo it. Sometimes less is more, or less is, what's the phrase? Less is best. I think that's cute. The other thing too is you could change out the bow up the front if you wanted to. I noticed mine is a little flat, so I think I'm going to put a little life into this. Let's get this bent right here. And then maybe bend our ears just a bit. So we put a little life into the ears. Just bend them just a little bit, just to make them, you know, not so up and down. The other thing you could do is Easter eggs if you wanted to. So I pulled out a few Easter eggs that we could put in. So the Easter eggs came from, I think, Hobby Lobby. Does anybody else like me have just a whole box full of nothing but Easter eggs? Okay, so we've got our eggs. Let me get one that's dry. And this one's a little short for the back, so I'm going to put this one up here, I think, at the front. Let's get some more tape. Okay, where am I going to put this? Okay. Just had to bend that one out a little bit. The space was not right. There we go. So let's do one back here. I like these little Easter eggs. And every time I stuff something in, I've got to go back and fix because my fat hand has messed everything up. Made a big old hole. And then we'll do this one right here. So who's giving away their arrangements that they're making? You know, making is a great way to relieve stress, take your mind off of the craziness, and then you have something you can, you know, donate or give away. Maybe my neighbor will like this one. They're fun, whimsical kind of people. So all the supplies from Greenery Market, except for the Easter eggs, which I had on hand from Hobby Lobby. Love this. And then if you're interested in joining us for our Wreath Making of the Month Club group, you can use coupon code Let's Make. Here is that link. But use coupon code Let's Make, all one word. It'll give you access to over 170 tutorials. If you like tutorials like this, I go into a lot more detail on those videos, talk about coloring, you know, placement. We go through the elements of designing and things like that. So we do go a lot more in depth with our design techniques. So if you're interested in taking it up a level, maybe getting a little more confident in your designing, I would love to work with you in our Wreath Making of the Month Club. We've got a lot of people on here who are in the club, so I'm sure that they'll chime in if they want. But we've got a lot of people on here already there making and having fun. Rhonda has been in the group for 3 years, and oh my gosh, her designs are stunning. Every time I see her, I'm like, Rhonda, get on Facebook Live so that I can have you teach in the club. You've gotten so good. And Rhonda, you know you have. So I'm just so excited when I see her designs. If I can do this, you can do this too, okay? It doesn't have to be overthought. Just have fun. Use it as a way of an outlet to just get creative and kind of forget about the stresses of the day and have fun with it. And then before you know it, maybe your neighbors will start to pay you to make stuff for them. And that's exactly how I got started. You want to show you with one? I'll just stick one in. I'm just going to bring this down just a little bit. Don't forget that you can twist and turn all of these fun little pieces. But if you wanted to put this yellow in, you absolutely could. See, there's one. It looks really pretty. You could do one in the front, one in the back. So it just adds another little texture and fun, whimsical look to it. Let's do one down the center. So you could see how it just adds another little fullness and texture to it. That's really fun looking, isn't it? So you can definitely add this. Definitely add this. It's so pretty. Be safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.